Hey guys, welcome back to Unstockable Trading. Today is August 5th, 2019, and it's a bloody Monday. And the blood continues after hour. So what we have right now is that in the after hour, we literally went down another 40 bucks on the 37 bucks. So if you look at the 200 days moving average, we hit about the 27.87, 27.86, went below it, but right now we are trading just shy above it. So what's the plan for tomorrow until Wednesday? We are looking for a oversold bounce and oversold short squeeze. Oversold, people short, and we have a squeeze. So we'll be looking at some many RSIs below their usual territories. So for example, on Amazon, you pull out a daily chart and you're looking at the RSI 9 on Amazon in the daily, you're looking at about 14. And that's not included in the after hour, which is down another 45 points. On Amazon, Amazon currently at 1720. So that RSI is below 11, below 10. Most likely it's going to bounce with the market. So tomorrow we are expecting a gap down. All right, a gap down. So we need to look at what the next support is. The 200 days EMA is a very nice one, a solid one, but we have one. The next one we're looking at is 2740, which is likely to hit. Right now, please respect the downtrend. So what's gonna happen is that we could make a retest back to 2811 and then continue downwards. So 2811 is about what, 20 points away. That's not too far away. So if you like to buy the dips, definitely looking at Amazon, Apple, and SPY for a 20 to 30 points move up on the S&P. But if you don't like to trade against this trend, you can short the rips. But the thing is, bear rally can be fast and hard. So we are going to watch tomorrow. If everything gap down tomorrow, it will be okay to buy a call on the oversold stocks, and you sell that on an intraday basis. I'm looking at Amazon, which is oversold. I am also looking at Apple, which is down about 10 bucks today and down 5 in after hour at 187. Apple RSI at 2022. So those are something that we need to pay attention to it. But the big thing is we need to talk about the two earnings coming up. Disney, and Disney is tomorrow in the after hour, and we have Roku, which is on August 8th. So Disney, we are right here. And what do we know from a technical basis? The last time we broke out Disney was right here. So we are just testing this gap right now. So this gap can be filled tomorrow, and I think it's a great buying opportunity because that we are expecting a oversold bounce on the broader market, right? So when the general market rebound, Disney should rebound too, and this earning can be a catalyst to bring Disney all the way back to 143. That's my outlook on Disney. And let's talk about Roku. Roku was pretty strong today with some short squeeze at the end. So Roku, haven't looking at this in a while. It's not wise to short Roku because of the institution holdings. But we're looking at a 105 resistance and $100 support, which we doing intraday. I remember seeing Roku around 99 bucks, 100, and we finally broke out and went up $2 in the end, and that's most likely a short squeeze to me. So I think Roku has potential room to go up to 120 because Roku, first of all, they're not affected by the tariff. And second of all, they raised the guidance last year and they were very confident on what they can do. And I've seen so many Roku ads, and all the smart TVs come with Roku. So this could be a very nice play. It's on August 7th, which is on Wednesday after hour. So that's gonna be my watch list for a maybe 102, 120 call on Roku. But the room for downside is that we have a gap at 67, 68, 70 bucks. That's about 40 point drop on Roku, which I don't really think is likely because we are only looking at 20 bucks move on Roku, which is 120 or 80. So let's see how Roku goes on the price action tomorrow. BYND last night called out was at 200. So it went down to 30 points. If we have in the money puts, those are like a lot of money. So with BYND, I still remain short on this position. I'm still holding my August 16 puts, even though premium got killed a little bit. But I am still faithful that I think BYND, once it goes to 167, we break that and we can definitely see 140 and 120, and eventually for a gap fill. BYND is currently at 172.5. So let's just see if the market can bring BYND down tomorrow with it. And that's gonna be it. So just be careful trading against the trend for some oversold bounces. Just remember, in a bear market, there will be some massive and quick rallies because of short squeeze, because people want to buy it, because fear and greed. So just be on watch. But the trend is down until it's not.